Picture this, you're laying in bed at night and you fall asleep, and then the next day you wake up and you've made money in your sleep. And it might sound crazy, but this could be potentially possible with 5 secret money-making apps that I'm going to reveal today. And throughout this video, we're gonna cover a range of different innovative apps, so there's gonna be something for everybody, hopefully, fingers crossed. But from investment platforms and creative side hustles, I hope I've got all of you covered. And don't worry, I'll make sure to break down how each app is going to work. And I mean, just imagine waking up every morning and seeing that your bank account has magically grown overnight. Well, that will be all thanks to these smart choices with these 5 different apps. And the benefits of having a passive income go beyond just financial freedom, because then you're gonna have freedom in your life as well, because you'll have time to do. You can focus on hanging out with your friends or your family or taking your dog on more walks. So stick around as I'm going to unveil these apps to you right now, and we can take our first step towards financial independence. We need to go. It's time to get on the ship, you guys, to financial independence. Let's go, boarding now. But let's start off by talking about an app called Acorns. And no, we're not talking about acorns that a squirrel would want or a chipmunk. A squirrel wants acorns or a chipmunk wants acorns. Do they both want acorns? But Acorns is an app that can help you invest your spare change. And the concept of micro-investing is really at the heart of Acorns. I just thought of who likes acorns. This character from Ice Age is always trying to save an acorn. Has nothing to do with this, it's just the same word, but we're moving on. But Acorns allows you to invest small amounts of money, and that just really makes it accessible to a lot of people out there that don't have like $1,000 to just invest in a random company. And it's accessible to a lot of people because regardless of your financial background, Acorns has you covered. So whenever you make a purchase, Acorns will take this purchase and round it to the nearest dollar. And then it will take this spare change and invest it. And it will invest it into a diversified portfolio of ETFs, which is an exchange-traded fund. For example, let's say you buy a coffee. You go to a coffee shop, or no, you get matcha. Even better, matcha. You go to a coffee shop and you get a matcha, which I did do today, and it is getting really expensive to literally just get a matcha nowadays. It can be like $8, but I had a student discount. So my matcha, let's say it's around $7.50. Well, Acorns will round this $7.50 up to $8 and make it a beautiful even number. And then it will invest the extra 50 cents for you. So there you go, free money. And just how sweet of them, how darling. But Acorns also has such a variety of different investment options. This means you can just simply choose an investment strategy that fits you and your financial place that you're in. And over time, these small investments can truly add up significantly, which boom, put it in simple terms, you're making money in your sleep. And if you just don't know how to get started with an investment journey, from what I've read online, Acorns seems like a great option that is very beginner friendly, which is very important to me because you gotta help the beginners out there. So it has this user-friendly interface and an automatic investing feature, which lovely. This way you can effortlessly grow your wealth and not have to stay on top of it all the time. And you won't have that stress of managing your investments daily. All right, now we're going to move on to our second app, and that is an app called Chime. Chime is essentially an app that offers a variety of different banking services. And some of these services would include a no-fee checking account. And then also they have early access to different deposits, which beautiful, and a high-yield savings account as well. And something that sets Chime apart from the crowd is the absence of traditional banking fees. And these could be things like overdraft fees or minimum balance requirements. And Chime also offers something called automatic savings, which it already sounds great, but this is where a percentage of your direct deposits from your earnings get automatically transferred into your savings account. And then with its high-yield savings accounts, Chime also provides a competitive interest rate that allows your money to flourish and grow over time. And this makes it an appealing choice for those who are looking to simplify their banking experience, but also earning more on their deposits. And then let's talk about making money in our sleep, because that's what this video is about. Well, with Chime's high-yield savings account, this is what makes it possible to make money in our sleep. And Chime will pay interest on your balance daily. So literally by depositing funds into your account, you can passively make money with Chime. And you can do this with literally no additional effort. You just put the money in there and you're good, you're gold. And then something that is also interesting is this interest is going to be compounded. And then this just essentially means your interest can start earning interest. interest earning interest, yes, they just feed into each other. And this can accelerate your savings growth over time. And additionally, Chime also has automatic savings features. And one of the features that sounded really appealing to me was the fact that whenever you buy something, Chime can take this purchase that you make and round it to the nearest dollar and then put this money into your savings account. So with Chime, you can really just build your savings balance, which is very important because have a savings, you guys. Do it. And you can just be earning money around the clock even while you sleep, which who wouldn't want to make money in their sleep? Now let's talk about app number 3, and that is an app called Robinhood. And no, we are not talking about the Disney character. I've related 2 of these apps already to cartoon characters. So we're going to be talking about Robinhood. And Robinhood is a commission-free trading platform. And basically, it just makes investing in stocks and ETFs even more accessible and just super easy overall. And with Robinhood, people can buy and sell shares without having any of these trading fees, which just means, in simple terms, you get to keep more of your profit. And I mean, be real, nobody wants to be throwing their money away. And this, in my opinion, is going to be particularly appealing to those who are beginners within the stock market world. Because I'm not an expert in the stock market world, but Robinhood made it seem like this is something that could be easy for me to even do. But investing in these different stocks and ETFs with Robinhood can gain you this passive income over time. And there you go, making money in your sleep. However, I would say that it's very crucial to understand market trends if you're diving into something such as stocks. Because then you can conduct your research and make informed decisions about where you're putting your money. So I would make sure to keep a close eye on different industry developments and just how companies are doing and their performance and different economic indicators. That way you can make very informed choices, and that is, again, just very important in the stock and investing world. So if you're looking for a viable source of income, stock trading can be a good option, but I would only say this if you know what you're doing. But the good news is an app such as Robinhood is a very good place to start if you're just getting started with this whole stock world. And with the right strategies and a little bit of patience, you guys could be potentially making money in your sleep in no time. And now the next app that I'm going to be talking about is an app that technically makes you money while you're shopping, which sounds crazy, but it is possible. From personal experience, you can make money while you're shopping. And making money while you're shopping is obviously not actively working, so hey, passive income. But this is possible with an app that is called Rakuten. And Rakuten is an app that is formerly known as Ebates, however, now they're Rakuten now. So let's just roll with it. But it's a popular cashback reward app that allows you to make money while you're literally shopping. And Rakuten is a very popular app, and I would like to say this is very important when choosing a cashback app because it means that they are partnered with a lot of different companies and they are very well known and very trusted. So they partner with literally thousands of different retailers, and then they're able to provide you with a percentage of cash back when you buy something. And this app is very user-friendly, making it just very easy to use and very easy to understand. And when you're literally just browsing on Rakuten, you can see there are a ton of different deals and different offers and different bonuses that you can look into, and it makes it super easy to complete your purchases as well. Rakuten also features different seasonal promotions, so keep an eye out for those. And there's different events where you can get maybe double the cash back, so make sure to just keep an eye out. Oh, and I do know they also have referral bonuses, so if you want to get your friends set up with Rakuten, you could be making yourself money by referring your friends. And Rakuten helps you make money while you sleep because you're literally just earning cash back on purchases that you would be making regardless. However, I would say if you see a deal for a product that you normally wouldn't buy if there weren't these points being offered to you or this cashback being offered to you, don't buy that product because I don't want you guys to just be throwing money out the door. Just because it's a deal, do not make an unnecessary purchase that you would make if the deal wasn't there, if that makes sense. Because I've fallen for this where it's like, buy one, get one free t-shirts. Oh my gosh, I need 2 t-shirts. Wait, I didn't need 2 t-shirts. Why did I do this? So don't find yourself in that situation. Let's not be wasteful. But once you set up your Rakuten account, you can link it with your favorite online stores. And then you can just simply shop as usual and watch your cash back start growing. And then additionally, if you choose to use Rakuten on your computer, because Rakuten does have an app, but if you choose to use it on your computer, they do have a browser extension. And this will just automatically notify you about different cashback opportunities. But don't fall into cashback opportunities that you would not be making if you didn't have a deal. But they just do this so they make sure that you're not missing out on any potential earnings. And over time, this cash back can really accumulate and help you out in the long run. And this money can be cash back from PayPal or even just a check. And then another app that is similar to Rakuten is one that I have personally used, and that is an app called Fetch. And with Fetch, you just take your receipt from shopping literally anywhere at a grocery store, or maybe you shop at PacSun or Hollister. You buy new shorts. Whatever you buy, you take a picture of your receipt, and then you get points for the money that you have spent. And then you can take these points and you can buy different gift cards. And I mean, who wouldn't love a free Starbucks drink here and there? And with these prices nowadays, you better take that free drink if you can. All right, now let's dive into our fifth app. But let me let you in on a little secret. We have a bonus app after this one, so make sure to stay tuned. But the next app is one called Fundrise, and with Fundrise, not fundraise, with Fundrise, you can invest in real estate. And you can invest in these real estate projects through something called crowdfunding. And this approach opens up the world of real estate investing to those who might not be able to just upfront buy real estate properties. And with Fundrise, you can start investing with as little as $500. This might not necessarily be applicable to everybody, and I get it, but the next bonus app that we're going to be talking about is completely free, so stay tuned if this one doesn't sound like it's for you. But one of the key benefits from real estate investing through crowdfunding is the fact that you can truly diversify your investment portfolio. So here you can spread your investments across multiple real estate projects, meaning you can really mitigate your risks here and enhance your return value. And Fundrise offers a huge variety of different investment options. So this could be just residential properties or even commercial properties. And this just allows you to choose projects that really align with your goals. And while the potential returns can be very attractive, it is always important to understand the risk that is associated with doing something like this, because there are some obstacles that can get thrown at you here and there. And this could be something like property management issues or market fluctuations, and just different economic downturns that can impact your returns. However, Fundrise makes sure to provide detailed information about each project so you can make an informed decision overall. So if you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio, Fundrise could be the app for you. And by investing in these different real estate projects, you can tap into a lucrative side hustle or even full-time hustle, who knows? Because overall, you could work toward building this long-term wealth. Now, like I said, I did have a bonus app for you all, and this app is not necessarily a secret app. However, I would say everybody knows this app. I think you might know this app, but it is just too good of an app not to include. And that is going to be the app that is known as YouTube. So I sure hope you've heard of YouTube, or else you do not know what you're watching this video on. And I would like to say, hi, welcome to YouTube. This is your formal greeting to YouTube. Welcome in. You're watching a YouTube video right now. If you did not know, I am a person that is sitting behind a camera talking to it. I'm not talking to you directly. That's why if you're talking to the screen, I haven't really answered any of your questions, and that is because you are watching a YouTube video. Anyways, that was a stupid joke, but here we go. But YouTube is an excellent platform to generate, honestly, one of the best passive incomes in my opinion. And it can be a passive income even if you prefer to have a faceless YouTube channel. And faceless YouTube channels are channels where the creator doesn't appear on camera, which I know can sound appealing to a lot of people because not a lot of people want to show themselves online and have a personality online, which I get it. But these channels heavily rely on different things like voiceovers and little animations and stock photos and videos and just the whole visual aspect rather than focusing on a beautiful face such as mine. But by creating evergreen content, which is just content that can stay relevant over time, you are able to make money from YouTube videos for literally years and years after you upload a video, literally forever. But once you meet YouTube's platform's requirements in order to get monetized on YouTube, which is going to be 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you are able to start getting these checks from YouTube. And you make money from ad revenue, which is the ads that YouTube puts on your videos. And it used to be Back in the olden days, it used to be YouTube wouldn't put ads on every single video until you got monetized, and then they would put ads on your videos. But now it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have or anything, YouTube is always going to put ads on your videos now. So with that being said, let's start getting paid for those ads that are on our videos, right? But one of my favorite parts about making a passive income with YouTube is the fact that you are not limited to just making money in one way. So you don't have to rely on this ad revenue to make money with YouTube, which in simpler terms essentially means we can get monetized on YouTube before we even get monetized by YouTube. And we can do this with a variety of different things. We could put different affiliate links within our videos and promote products that relate to the niche of our channel. You could also sell different digital products such as ebooks or maybe even an online course, and promote these different products throughout your videos and in the description of your channel. But with the right content strategy and having a consistent upload schedule to YouTube, your channel could easily become a great source of a passive income for you, which is also known as gaining revenue while you sleep. And I have a very helpful video that can get you started with YouTube in just 1 second. Let's take 1 second to take a deep breath, guys. We'll get there. The importance of passive income cannot be overstated because it offers you this financial freedom to do things that you want to do in your free time, and it offers the ability to make money literally while you're catching sleep, or maybe you're chilling on the beach, or you're hanging out with your friends. But if any of these apps sounded intriguing to you, I do encourage you to check them out. There's no harm in checking something out. But if any of these apps sounded appealing to you, I highly encourage you to check them out and see what they're all about. And I hope that maybe you found just one app that can resonate with your financial goals. But like I said like 5 seconds ago, I do have a very helpful video when it comes to starting your own YouTube channel, and you can click on it right here if you'd like to. And this video really just talks about everything to do with YouTube, whether it be creating your videos or picking the niche of your channel, and overall just setting your whole channel up and setting it up for success. So you won't want to miss it. Make sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys there. Bye!